This is our third annual Early Learning Literacy Night. We invite families throughout the district with children from 0 to 5 to come and enjoy an evening with us where they learn lots about literacy and things that they can do at home with their children. This year it's an amazing thing because we've also connected it to STEAM with our theme, Literacy Beyond the Stars. The importance of this is, one, to really show families how much the community comes together just for the families in the Atlanta community, to show them how much we love them, how much we want them to become avid readers and wonderful, amazing adults in college, career, and beyond, because I know that's our slogan. I am just so wonderfully amazed at all the families that came out, all of our partners, vendors, all of the people that came to support Junior League of Atlanta for sending more additional volunteers for us. We just thank you, we love you, and we will see you next year for our next wonderful and even bigger Literacy Night.